Group is a total solution provider in the construction machinery industry with the world's most comprehensive product offer. By the end of 2008, after 8 acquisitions of first-class brands in different fields, its construction machinery business includes concrete machinery, mobile cranes, tower cranes, road machinery, earth-moving machinery, environmental sanitary machinery, aisle foundation machinery, firefighting machinery, bulk material handling equipment, special vehicles, and much more, with a total of 13 categories, 66 series, and 645 product varieties. Perspective and employs strategy consultants by the establishment of an external think tank to formulate development plans for each business unit. The two brands of zoomlion and xích have continued to excel the refined management level with upstream and downstream partners and the international market press through information platforms, joint management, development and production, expansion, channel construction, and sales platform communication and coordination of international markets. The successful integration of resources contributes to the overall enhancement of zoomlion's strength in all the manufacturing equipment, ensuring the completion of tasks satisfy the customer's needs. The system upgrades of zoomlion are targeted to production capacity and manufacturing quality of high-end and middle-end products. This target is established to address the increasingly complicated operational issues faced by the customers. Through operations, training, and service network distributed in more than 60 countries and regions on all continents, such as Gulf countries. Upon utilizing the group's leading advantages, zoomlion is committed to providing equipment users from all over the world with the optimum total solution. The zoomlion Group also takes pride in winning the Outstanding Contribution Award of China Charity Course. Zoomlion's culture has ultimately enhanced the group's ability to serve customers. With an annual growth rate of more than 60%, zoomlion ranks first in the growth of global engineering machinery enterprises. The group's market share has leapt to first in the world in the field of concrete machinery products. The group's market share also ranks first in China in the fields of tower cranes and sanitation machinery. In the field of truck cranes, the group's market share ranks second in China, ranks fifth in the global mobile crane manufacturers. Not only is zoomlion a total solution provider of engineering machinery with stable growth, the group is also a listed company with the most net assets in China's construction machinery industry. Zoomlion's strategic goal is to become #1 of China's construction machinery industry in 3 to 5 years, and to become one of the top 5 in the global construction machinery industry in 5 to 10 years.